By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to make a simple clicker game with an auto-click upgrade that you can expand on to make it look like this. Let's get started. Create a button. I'll go ahead and center it, make it longer, and change the text to click. Then add the text, which is going to be our total clicks. Create a new game object for the game manager. Add a new script. I'll call it manager. This script will contain all of the game logic and functions. Inside the script editor, delete these default functions. In order to access the UI components, we're going to type using unityengine.ui here. Add a reference for the total clicks text and a float where you can store the clicks value. Then add a function called addClicks. This line will add 1 point to the score every time you click the button, and this line will update the clicks text and display non-decimal numbers only. Put the score text in the script like so. Click the button in the hierarchy, scroll down to the button script, and add a new event. Put your game manager game object here, and find your addClicks function. We already have a working basic clicker game. Let's create an auto-click upgrade. Create a new button and change the color and the text to upgrade. Go back to your script, add a new boolean to check if you have the upgrade. I'll call it has the upgrade. Add an integer called autoclicks per second for the amount of autoclicks to add per second. Add an integer for the amount of clicks needed to unlock the upgrade. Create a method called autoclick upgrade. Add an if statement to check if you have the required clicks or not. If you want the upgrade to subtract points from the score when you unlock it, just type this line. Make the has upgrade boolean true when you unlock this upgrade. Add an update function. Add an if statement that adds points to the score by time. Oh, and don't forget to update the score. Back to the editor, insert the values for these variables, go to the auto-click button and add a new event. Put your game manager game object here and find your auto-click upgrade function. We now have a working auto-click upgrade. The score is automatically increasing. You can easily improve the game graphics, maybe add sound effects or add new upgrades. You can make something that looks like this. It's up to your imagination.